Okay, now I'm ready to actually test the actual steering lock before I install it with the vehicle. It's very important. That's the tool I'm talking about. I made that myself. That's about 50. That tool is about 15 years old. So old, but works every time. If you ask me to make that again, I don't even know where to start. I made it because it's necessary to do a job. Before at Porsche, when I was working at Porsche, and Porsche didn't have the tool to do it properly, and I made that up. Those old days I used to work for Porsche was probably one of the best before Volkswagen took over. So, alright, let's have a look. Now I can actually test this. So now I want to try to jam this between my legs. So hard, man. Alright, now you can hear it. Okay, now key in, turn, start the car, come back, pull it out, and you hear a noise. Look at that. Before, this key was stuck in the vehicle and I can't even take it out. Start, let go back home, key out, key in, ignition on, start, let go, turn it off, key out. That's it. So everything's working now. Perfect. Now I'm ready for the installation.